Assalamualaikum friends, this is Sadia from scholarshipraw.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about Schwarzem Scholars Program. Friends, this is a fully funded scholarship for 1 year master's degree at Tsinghua University in Beijing, China. Tsinghua University ranks on number 1 position in the world, especially for computer science and engineering, beating the MIT into second place. After discussing benefits and eligibility criteria, I will walk you through the step-by-step online application process. So stay tuned till the end. If you want to read about this scholarship in more details, the link of the scholarship is in the description box below. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification about latest videos on scholarship. With that being said, let's get started. Schwarzem Scholar is a fully funded 1 year master's degree and leadership program at Tsinghua University in Beijing, China. At the heart of the program are world-renowned advisors, a rigorous and innovative study of global affairs, and hands-on exploration of Chinese culture and commerce. China's interaction with businesses around the world are growing. Schwarzem scholars are future leaders. Together, they will create a more peaceful and prosperous futures for all. The 200 scholars chosen annually for this highly selective program will work towards a master's degree at Tsinghua University in Beijing, one of China's most prestigious universities, as individuals who want to have a positive impact on the world. The Schwarzem scholars will be selected based on their academic credentials and demonstrated leadership accomplishments. Situated on the former sites of Qing Dynasty Imperial Gardens and near numerous historical sites, the campus of Tsinghua University boasts a great location, rich history, and vibrant future. Since 1911, the university has developed students' understanding of globalization and served as a bridge between China and the world. As one of China's most influential and respected institutions, Tsinghua continues its legacy of cultivating the next generation of world leaders. The main focus areas for master degrees are global affairs, leadership, public policy, economics and business, international studies. To know more about the available programs, you can click on this link. Friends, it is 1 year master's degree program and up to 200 scholarships are available under Schwarzem Scholars Program. Deadline for USA and global applicant is September 21st. For Chinese applicant, it is May. Now, let's talk about scholarship coverage. Friends, it is a fully funded scholarship program which includes tuition fee, accommodation, travel allowance, in-country study tours, required course books and supplies, health insurance, and a stipend of 4,000 US dollars for personal expenses. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria for Schwarzem Scholars Program. Eligible countries. All world countries are eligible for this scholarship program. Undergraduate degree is required. Applicants who are currently enrolled in undergraduate degree programs must be on track to successfully complete all degree requirements before August 1st. There are no requirements for a specific field of undergraduate studies. All fields are welcome. But it is important for applicants, regardless of undergraduate major, to articulate how participating in Schwarzem Scholars will help develop their leadership potential within their field. There is an age requirement also. Candidates must be at least 18 but not yet 29 years of old as of August 1st of the Schwarzem Scholar enrollment year. English language proficiency. Applicants must demonstrate strong English language skills as all teaching will be conducted in English. If the applicant's native language is not English, official English proficiency test scores must be submitted with the application. You can read about the acceptable test scores from here. This requirement is waived for applicants who graduated from an undergraduate institute where the primary language of instruction was English. If you want to read the complete eligibility criteria, you can click on this link. Now let's move to the most important part of this video, that is how to apply for this scholarship program. Create an online account at this link for international applicants. If you are Chinese or you have Chinese passport, you have to click on another link to apply for this scholarship. The following information is required to fill the online application form, which includes personal information, biographical profiles, education, language skills and test scores, professional experience, experience abroad, leadership roles, awards and recognitions, disciplinary action, recommendations, essays, transcripts, CV, additional information, and signature. In total, the following documents are required: online application, resume, transcripts, 2 essays, 3 letters of recommendation, and video introduction about yourself. That is optional. Now we will walk through the application process. Please click on this link if you are international applicant. If you are a first-time user, you have to create an account from this link. To register for an account, you have to provide your email address, first name, last name, date of birth. Click on Continue next. Once your account is created, you will be directed to application homepage from where you can start a new application. Now we will check one by one what is required on the application. The first tab is personal information. Your name, current address, email address, telephone information, biographic information like your gender, date of birth, birth country, birth city, birth region, native language, marital status, citizenships information. This is required on this first tab. Next is About Me tab. On this, your biographical profile is required, in which you have to write about yourself in 100 words. Next, you have to upload your CV, and a introductory video is also required. To know more about what to do in this video, you can read from here. Next section is about your interests. You have to select your 2 interests that best identify with your professional and leadership inspirations. Reapplicant information. Next tab is about your education. You have to add information about your institute, and you have to give information about your undergraduate degree. Will you have completed your undergraduate degree by August 1st? Okay, next tab is language skills. You have to write about your spoken languages and your English language proficiency scores, etc. on this tab. Next tab is leadership roles and recognitions. You have to list up to 10 leadership roles, awards, scholarships, publications, or special recognitions you have received. Next tab is professional experience tab. List up to 2 of your most recent full-time work experience. Okay, next is experience abroad. List up to 2 of your most relevant academic, professional, or volunteer experience with the minimum duration of 2 months abroad. You have to write about this on this tab. Essays. As part of your application, you are required to submit 2 essays. A leadership essay and a statement of purpose and 2 short answers. Everything is described in each section. Please read carefully before attempting this part. Next is recommendations. Okay. You have to register your 3 recommenders below in this section. Next is disciplinary action. This tab is about your disciplinary actions. You have to answer these questions. additional information. Anticipated locations for virtual interview dates. You have to provide this information on this page. And some other questions has been asked, like clarification comments. If you wish to clarify any information you provided in the application, please do so in this section. Next is program information, from where you have heard about Schwarzem Scholars. You can select from these options. Next is signatures. Electronic signatures are required. You have to read this whole paragraph before writing your full name here. In the end, please review your application to know if you have filled all the compulsory sections, and check if you have provided all the information correctly. And in the end, please submit. That's all about the Schwarzem Scholar Program at Tsinghua University, China. Please give thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos related to scholarship. And also visit our website scholarshipraw.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.